Alright, so here is the two UDL assignments that I wanted to kind of go back to and recap on or showcase. So this first one is actually a Powtoon that I created. And it was for my UDL assignment for weeks 3 through 4. So I liked this one because I feel like this one pushed me the most in terms of like my tech savviness. To be honest, I went back and looked at it, and it was almost hard to I don't really remember I remember making everything, but it just looks a lot more professional now that I'm kind of seeing it from like the viewer standpoint. Like I don't necessarily remember everything, every little step of creating this, but it looks good to me. Kind of proud of myself for kind of making this, so I'm just gonna let the intro roll.
Garcia. This is my UDL reflection for weeks 3 through 4. Starting off, I'd like to utilize two materials from the past few weeks. First one being week 2's library activity. And this...
my vocals sound a little odd, but I think it's just because I'm super nervous when I was making this. I felt like the pressure was really on. Still getting used to making these kind of recorded videos, but the whole point of it was kind of like the whole idea of me like putting this together and making the transitions and whatnot. I thought it was actually pretty smooth. Taking a look at it kind of in the future. But moving on to my second UDL assignment, I actually I liked it for the same reason. I actually have never created a YouTube video before this course. So let me put this into full screen. And yeah, the fact that this course kind of got me to create videos and figure out how to save them and rename and download and embed these two UDL assignments have really pushed my tech savviness. And then in this actual UDL assignment, I was actually let's see, it looks like I was researching schools and also the demographics around them. So I'll let this roll for a little bit as well.
Economically disadvantaged. This is good to think about when you're a teacher, when taking into consideration also UDL learning and teaching, because it's good to know that your students are going to be socioeconomically disadvantaged, because that's going to change how you go about planning out your lesson plans and how you're going to teach that set of students.
And so here you can see I was talking about how it's good to know kind of the details of your demographic, so that way you can adjust and teach accordingly. So those are the two UDL assignments that I wanted to go over.